Here is a 2002 Ford Expedition XLT with the 5.4 liter V8. This is going to be a full review of this Expedition. It's a pretty sweet car. Do a full consumer review and show the exterior as well as interior and start up the engine. This one does have rear parking sensors, which is a pretty cool feature to have on a car back in 2002. And this has got to be one of the cleanest cars I've ever seen for the mileage. And to start things off, we'll go ahead and climb on inside. Keyless entry pad on the door. Power mirrors, power seats, power windows, driver one's automatic. It's a red exterior, as you saw. This particular one comes with two-tone cloth. It's very plush, very comfortable as well. Have your traditional Ford key. This car is 190,422 miles. And as a traditional Ford product, starts right up. The steering wheel is not leather wrapped, but the material going around the steering wheel is very plush. And it feels very good on your hands, so it's probably just as good as leather. Your traditional column shifter with overdrive on the side, and I believe it's a 4-speed automatic, and it also shows the gears right by the dials. Go ahead and shut it up. Sure. Automatic window. Power mirrors. Oops, sorry. And this car does go crazy when you don't have your steering wheel on or seatbelt on, even though I'm in park. Sorry. Here's the power mirrors. Custom radio. Seek. Auxiliary input, as well as your USB input. Search, got a CD player. Go back. Shut up. This thing's annoying me. I guess you have to have your seatbelt on. But I'll just put the seatbelt on so it doesn't do that anymore. Alright. So you got your presets right there. Got your 4-wheel drive right here, auto 4-wheel drive. So it's an auto 4-wheel drive right now. There's regular 4-wheel drive and 4-low. Cruise control. Got your easy to use climate control. Fan speeds, cold, hot. Got your different zones, as well as AC and max AC. Easy to use vents. Vanity mirror. Oh, this thing's about ready to come off. It's okay though. And that doesn't work. You got your rear right there. That doesn't work. So see that? Not doing anything. This is going to be fixed though. They're taking it to the shop to get it fixed. I mean, even a car as clean as this with 190,000 miles, there are going to be some things that don't work. Auto-dimming rear-view mirror. Use those power seats to move me up a little bit. Alright, so the materials in the interior. This whole dash is one piece hard plastic. It's all hard plastic. That's hard plastic. Still hard plastic. But it's nice. I mean, it doesn't feel like it's flimsy or anything. You're gonna break. Plastic. Plastic. Let's see. Looks like a remote for your Pioneer audio system. Plastic. There's rubber in there. Parking sensors on or off. That button right there. Got a padded material covering the sides, and extra padded for this glove box right here. The glove box feels kind of flimsy. Jeez. I took my seatbelt off. Alright, and then this is your CD player. Your CD holder, sorry. So, overall, it's a pretty nice car. And we're going to go ahead and get a quick view of the outside. Turn on the headlights, as well as the fog lights, four ways. Get your window defrost right there. And check out the exterior. Also, pop the hood. It's a 5.4-liter V8. Triton V8. Running 190,000 miles and still going strong. This truck looks really nice for its age. Running boards, alloy wheels. Gonna check out the back seats just a second. Go ahead and show you the rear windshield wiper really quickly, as well as the front ones. On the outside. Parking sensors in the rear. It's this one knob that controls both of them. Pull it this way, opens the glass. Third row seats are folded down this way, just to open the whole thing. It is lockable. So you got a 3-bench seat back here. Plastic. Also plastic. This is where the jack is. So that door comes off. That's where the jack is. Alrighty. Go ahead and turn the hazards off. Fog lights, headlights. Go ahead and shut it down. Go and check out the rest of the vehicle. You have to demonstrate the rear AC. I'm actually going to start it up just to demonstrate the rear AC and stuff. you can fold the seats flat. Completely flat, they go. Do the same one with the other one. Locks, power windows. I think the windows might be locked, definitely not broken. Headphone jacks. Turn up the volume for your headphones. Seek, hot stuff. Climate control for the rear, which I think it has to be on in the front to operate. See, there you go, it's working now. So. Speakers, little ashtray, cup holders, pop open. More cup holders. Check this out. Lights. Now we'll go ahead and shut it down. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the full review. There's more videos where that came from. Stick around, take care. Thanks for watching.